Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a DeLonghi Dynamica Plus. This is actually a warranty for under DeLonghi. Since we are an official DeLonghi warranty house, we do handle some of their warranty repairs for them, and this is one of them. The issue with this one is the screen actually ended up breaking. Unknown why. Usually you see that happen if there's power outages or some sort of, power surge goes into the machine and usually ends up breaking the screens. And I did a lot of troubleshooting to it, which is why this thing is in pieces, but this is the screen for you. It's in a lot of pieces because I was testing the board both on this side and on the other side and the certain sensors, but yeah, you just couldn't get this thing alive after power surges. You usually have to go really in detail, in depth, and look for the specific parts that burnt out, which not worth it in my opinion to do unless you have a lot of time on your hands. So we replaced the screen entirely, and as you can see, it works great. And we're just gonna brew espresso real quick. It's gonna grind some coffee up, and then it's going to put the brew unit into brewing position and start the process of tamping and brewing. And yeah, it was pretty simple repair. That's all we did to the machine. I did a few wipe downs around the machine, but nothing, out of the blue when it comes to a tune-up or anything like that, because this is a relatively new machine. Just had this weird issue with the screen. And so all we did was replace the screen, test the machine, and then just wipe down the outer side of the machine and a little bit of the inside, but not too much. And so yeah, as you can see, brewing fine. Another thing I had seen with this machine, sorry I hit the camera. Another thing is it seems like the machine was in the middle of a descaling mode when I turned it on. So once I installed the new screen, put it to the side because I didn't assemble the whole machine together. I usually want to troubleshoot when the machine's still in the process of being repaired, which means open, panels off, and instantly it kicked off to halfway through a descaling cycle. So maybe that was another issue, that some sort of issue within descaling. I have seen it before, but it's very rare and I don't really have an explanation for it. And so all we did was replace the screen, and I finished the descaling cycle. So that's pretty much why I had mentioned it. I finished the entirety of the descaling cycle, which was the descaling part, and then rinsing the water tank out, I believe twice. You have to do it twice with clean water for this specific machine. And yeah, and so as you can see, working great. We're gonna just turn it off real quick. And we're gonna see the rinsing cycle, boot up or boot down, and then we might just turn it on one more time just to show that it is working as intended. So when we say we replaced the screen, we didn't just replace the LED back here. This whole big block right here is completely replaced, which is why the old one is still in pieces. And so yeah, works fine. And that's about it for this warranty repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.